it's Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you flip of style medium length wig. This is how it looks. It's a little layered style and it doesn't have much hair at the bottom. And the color is reddish brown. It matches like a bright skin tone. And it has cute thing right here. You can style like this. Just drop it. You can style with your finger like this. It goes way as I want. Okay, and take a close look. It has open breathable cap. It's very stretchable, but it's sturdy as well. And there's adjustable band at the nape side. And gap between this weft is very narrow. The hair are sewn onto the weft, so it's very lightweight and it gives more circulation. So it doesn't give any hot. Look at this, the color tone. It's just mixed well. The color is so nice. And this is the top. This is perfect for all day wear. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.